Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this installment of I Watch TikTok So You Don't Have To, I am going to be sharing with you my 30-day results after using a viral neck cream. This is the Go Pure Tighten and Lift Neck Cream. It contains, and I don't think I'm pronouncing this right, 4% Capuasu butter, 2.5% Matrabust, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and caffeine. And I paid approximately $50 for it on Amazon. This video is completely unsponsored. As I just said, I bought this product with my own money. I was extremely skeptical, like I'm sure a lot of you are. And I had originally intended this video to go up as a YouTube short, hence why you're going to see part of this video filmed vertically. But as we all know, YouTube Shorts only gives you 60 seconds and I'm a bit of a talker, so it wasn't going to fit into a YouTube short. So I'm still going to keep this video short and sweet and show you footage taken in mid-December and then also a couple days ago in mid-January. So as I was saying, this product went extremely viral on TikTok. People were just raving about it, saying that they saw immediate results using this product twice a day. The before and afters I was seeing were highly impressive. And I was influenced. Now, I'm a little hesitant of purchasing things from TikTok Shop, so I did go over to Amazon and buy it there. So if you've ever ordered anything from TikTok Shop, please let me know about your experience in the comments. So after using this neck cream twice a day for a little over 4 weeks, I have used up about, I would say, maybe a little less than half. So if you're thinking, $50 is a little bit out of my budget, well, I do feel like this is going to last you at least 2 months. And I think that the results were pretty impressive, but let me know what you think. Today is Sunday, December 17th, and I used the Go Pure Tighten and Lift Neck Cream for the first time last night. Here is my neck. As you can see, I've got a little bit of excess skin here, and I have tech neck, and yeah, I mean, my neck is definitely looking 50. I'm going to come back on January 17th, and we're gonna see if there is a difference in the way my neck looks. Okay, it is January 20th, 2024. I'm a couple days late. But I have been using this Tighten and Lift Neck Cream twice a day for a month, and I definitely see an improvement. Is it miraculous? No. I did not expect this line from my tech neck to completely disappear in 1 month, but it has definitely lightened, I feel. And I also feel like my neck has much more of an overall firmness to it. I still have, of course, some sagging skin under here because no topical cream is going to get rid of that. I'm going to continue to use it. I've definitely seen an improvement. I was extremely skeptical at first, to say the least, but I am going to, as I think I just said, continue to use this product and give you an update in another maybe month or so. So yeah, I'm impressed. So there you go. And here is my neck once again. Today is January 21st. So I recorded that footage yesterday. And while my neck isn't going to be miraculously looking 10 years younger after 1 month, although people on TikTok did say that they felt like they saw an incredibly dramatic change. Like this cream took 10, 15 years off of their necks in 1 month. I am not going to go so far as to say that. I do think it is one of the best neck creams I've ever tried. So many of them. I've done the same thing. I've tested them for a month, twice a day. And I'll be honest with you, I just never saw any results. So yeah, my results aren't super dramatic or anything, but I definitely think it's an improvement. In fact, I posted a TikTok, not about this cream, but about something else. I can't even remember right now what it was, but I received a comment from someone that said, "Can you please share your neck routine?" That's the first time I've ever been asked that. So apparently people are thinking my neck looks pretty good for age 50 and a half. And before I close this short video out, I do want to mention that about 1.5 years ago, I posted a before and after from doing a gua sha routine. I'll put the link to that video in the description box. Some people tried to say that the lighting was different or it was photoshopped, and just all kinds of different comments on that video because it did kind of blow up a little bit. And I'm gonna tell you right here, right now, I will never ever be deceptive in any of my videos. I am never going to be able to get the exact lighting that I had a month earlier. Seasons change, times change. I do my best, but they're never going to be identical. All I can tell you is that whenever I take before and afters, I try my best to make them as close as possible and as realistic as possible, but I never alter them in any way. And a lot of people have been asking for an update on that video. And I will tell you right now that I was very consistent for those 3 days that I was making that video or attempting to show a before and after to see for myself how well or not well a gua sha routine worked. I slacked off after that. I'm not gonna lie. I just would only do gua sha maybe once a week. And then I was sent another device to potentially promote, which was the zip device, which I love. And I just got really lazy when it came to the gua sha. So what I think I'm going to attempt to do now is incorporate both of these into my routine. Gua sha and this neck cream. And as I think I said in that footage, the iPhone footage, I am going to do another update in maybe a month or two. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, if you've tried this neck cream, and if you have tried this neck cream, please let us all know in the comments what your results were. So if you did enjoy this video, I really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the Risa Does Makeup family. I do try to upload new videos at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me over on Instagram as well as TikTok. My username is the same on all social media platforms. It's Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.